Nagpatuyo ako ng buhok kaya. Asa kasi yung buhok ko, guys. Ang laki ng brown. Kain tayo. Sarap siya. Huh? Oh, I don't like it. I already tan. You see, I'm color tan already. Thank you. Sabi ng alaga ko, laglang daw ako ng lotion. This one?
No. You know USA?
Mm.
They went against Philippines for basketball.
Who win?
Huh?
Who win?
No. Under U16, so high school players versus Philippine high school players. National team.
Mm.
Guess the score.
Who? Philippine.
USA win. The score is 45 Philippines, 45 points. USA 141.
Oh my gosh. Because USA, they are taller than Philippines. You know, basketball player from Philippines, they're not that tall.
Yeah.
Yung maganda dito kasi wala siyang ano gaan. Walang music, hindi tayo mag-copyright, di ba? Sarap. Hindi ko na kailangan magpaitim kasi maitim na ako. Kumakain si Bunso ng burger. Masarap yung buko nila, guys. Nainom ko na yung sabaw. Pero masarap yung kanyang laman. Malaki. Alam niyo naman ako. Mahilig sa buko. Ayoko sanang pumunta, guys, kasi kagagaling ko lang ng COVID. Pero alam niyo na, madalang ka din kasi makabakasin, kaya sige na, why na, di ba? Kaya kain tayo, guys. Ang dami. Nakalimutan ko gamit ko sa ano, yung hotel na tinuluyan namin nung unang araw namin. Lumipat kasi kami ng hotel. Kasi yung hotel na tinuluyan namin una, sabi nila, beachfront. Hindi naman beachfront. 15 minutes walk from beach. Tapos, bundok guys, bababa ka ng bundok. Ito dati na namin itong tinuluyan. Yung kasi binok ni madam na una, medyo mura. Ito dito kasi mahal. Kaso nga lang, mali yung advertisement nila. Sabi nila beachfront, hindi naman beachfront. Kaya enjoy lang natin life guys ang buhay. Habang may naglilibre, di ba? Kasi kung sarili nating expenses to, hindi natin siya afford. Kaya enjoy lang natin. Hindi sana ako sasama, kaya lang baka matagalan bago makapasyal ulit. Kaya sige na, uwi natin. Pero yung aeroplano guys na sinakyan namin, natakot. Tatlong bisis naglanding pero hindi siya nakalanding. Yung pang-apat lang. Pag naglalanding siya, po siya siyang ano, nagtitik off, lumilipad sa ere. What you need? Towel?
No.
Towel here. Ang laki ng prawn. Mahal nga lang isang order guys. So parang yung isang hipon, parang $1 ang price niya kasi ano lang, pitong hipon lang po. Mahal isa. No choice tayo. Pinapatuyo ko yung buko. Also the water. Ato i-order po ka. What happened?
I have
Finish. Be careful. Malaki yung hipon guys. May nagkikilitian sa dagat. Matuyo-tuyo na ang buhok ko. still eating.
Yeah. In a bit. Think you put this on my back?
Come. This is for face. Sit down. I cannot reach it.
Oh, Jesse, look.
Actually, you did great in the surfing to Baba.
Yeah.
Nice, yeah?
Put it on my back. My leg. Not too much.
Okay, go. And work the
Here,
cover.
Here. Alright.
Cover it. Ah. Go. Bring here. It's too hot there. It's hot for your phone. You don't have umbrella. I think mommy went up to change. I think you... Oh, mommy is here. Ala, 13 na pala.